Welcome back from your break. This afternoon we're going to do reading and a little bit of writing, and it shouldn't take you too long. We're going to start by choosing a book from your big universe, but there is an assignment that I want you to do along with your reading today. I want you to choose a fiction story from Big Universe, a fiction story. And I'd like you to record when you're finished reading. We should be on line number 3, line number 3 of your paper. I would like you to record for line number 3. I want you to write down the names of the main characters in your story. The main characters are the characters that the story is mostly about. Sometimes stories will have a whole bunch of different characters. But the main characters, usually there's only a few of those, 1 or 2, maybe 3. If you think about the story that we read yesterday, what was it called? Extraordinary Egg, I think, about the 3 frogs who found an egg. Think about who the main characters were in that story. They were the 3 frogs, Jessica, who else was it? I'll bet you remember. Well, anyway, the 3 frogs and the little alligator who they thought was a chicken were the main characters. Now, there was another character in the story, and that was the little alligator's mom. But that wasn't a main character because she was only in a tiny little part of the story. So when you're finished reading on line number 3, I'd like you to record the main characters of your story. But then you have another job. On line 4, I want you to record the setting of the story. Remember, the setting of the story is where the story takes place, and it can also include when it takes place. For instance, a story might take place on a farm in the winter, or it may take place in a house over summer break. So record down your setting for line number 4. And I think I'll keep it simple. I think we'll just do that. So you're going to read a book, and then on line 3, record down the main characters, and on line 4, write down the setting, which can be the time and the place. I'd like to see you read for at least 20 minutes. It's not very much time considering if you had a reading group with me, you'd read for 20 minutes, plus you'd read another 20 during Read to Self, plus you'd read for another 20 doing partner reading. So in class we usually spend 40 to 60 minutes doing reading every day. So at least 20 minutes for reading. You could set a timer like you did before on the internet. You can read more than one book for that, but you're also going to record down for one of the stories that you read, main characters and the setting. If you have any questions, you can have your parents give me a call or send me an email.